I'm B.
And I'm L.
We're the B and L Bros. So today we'll be teaching you how to turn on and start off with a print. So first, L here is going to be the cameraman. So first, on the side of it,
Just move some stuff.
you would want to turn it on. And then you're going to see
This.
and then that will pop up. You will want to press. You want to do this. Go down to temperature. Go down to preheat PLA. Preheat the PLA. You want to go on to what you are to print from TF card. You are going to do what you want. So we are going to do
Do anything to do Charizard.
So let's see.
It's just a dog.
We're gonna do the dog.
Okay.
And then you would like to set your go to adjust. Put the bed at 35 Celsius. Boom. Go up. You would want to wait for it to get up to temperature and stuff like that. So it is, right now is that, sometimes mine likes to jump from heat. I just gotta change that real quick, no big problem. Then you wait for it to get up to temperature.
That's 34. I know that.
And we will wait for it to get up to temperature. But for now, I would say the best filament you can get is PLA. There is also ABS, PETG, and TPU. Those don't work as well with the printers. These PLA rules, they work very good for our printers. I have the Ender 3 Neo, and L here has the Ender 3 Pro.
What is this?
And mine is having some problems with the stuff sticking to the bed, and so this will help it get it off. It's alcohol and water. It helps it get it off easier. But I still have to use a razor blade. Hopefully your guys' doesn't have that problem. So you can tell that I have made a few things, but some of them have broke because of them sticking.
So for like PLA, ABS, DETG, and TPU,
This is what he's holding. I've made a list of what temperatures and all things you should.
oh, and the print started.
Hang on. And these are all the bed heats, the nozzle heats, and everything for the TPU, PLA, and all those things like that. Here. Then hopefully your guys' works out a lot better. L's here, his is kind of broken right now. So here is, the print is starting. It might not look like it's printing, but it takes a few layers for it to start. But if you see, it actually is printing. And then we just wait for that all to go. And we'll see you when we get back.